The climate is changing, and you?
Every year during our rainy season, the increase in heavy rainfalls destabilizes the slope of the riverbank, causing flooding and overflowing of the riverbed in our area. With the Micoud Community Project, we have been adapting to the effects of climate change by planting fruit trees along the Micoud watershed. We encourage the participation of students and community members as it provides an opportunity to learn and to create a positive impact on the livelihoods of the affected people. The trees that were planted at the beginning of the project are growing well. They will help prevent erosion, mud flows, and landslides. Planting the right trees along the riverbank has many benefits.
You too, take action.